Practice. Don't miss out if you have a kitchen. My husband highly recommends these great items for the stove. 10th place. I also learned about this silicone steamer mat from my neighbor before. I use the kind that easily sticks to the dough, is difficult to clean, and is prone to bacterial growth. This one is very easy to use. 9th place. You may have been giving your child dirty water to drink. The cup cover for kids needs to be cleaned frequently, and this 3-in-1 cup cover brush is perfect for the job. The bristles are slightly stiff and can effectively clean every corner. 8th place. Finally, I found a measuring cup that can filter egg liquid. It's really delicate. We all love it at home. It's also very convenient for washing vegetables or rinsing rice. It even has measurements on it. It's really versatile. 7th place. This is an essential set of heat-resistant kitchen tools. Use the bowl clip to steam eggs, the tray clip for dishes, and the heat-resistant glove for anything that needs to be handled with care, such as casserole dishes or ovens. 6th place. The secret to keeping my kitchen clean and tidy is this dual-purpose wall-mounted dishcloth and sponge holder. This way, the water won't flow onto the countertop. Doesn't it look so refreshing? 5th place. After using a pot lid, it must be hung on the wall to make cleaning the countertop easier. When cooking, just put the lid on top without taking up any space, and the bottom collects any water drops. Hang a cleaned pot lid next to the sink, and it's very convenient to hang a cutting board on it. 4th place. This flip-top storage basket in my kitchen is just too useful. It's easy to install without drilling holes and can store ginger, garlic, and even cinnamon and star anise. Get a few for your home. 3rd place. I used to keep my dish soap by the sink, which was inconvenient when cleaning. This is very convenient. It has a buckle that can adjust its size, and it won't fall off even with force. The bottom of the bottle won't accumulate dirt, and you can even hang shampoo and shower gel on it. 2nd place. In the summer, it's difficult to preserve food, but with this small mesh food cover, not only is it ventilated, but it also prevents flies and mosquitoes. When not in use, it can be stacked together to save space. 1st place. I also learned about this home appliance desk cover from my neighbor before. It would get covered in dust on the countertop, and it was a hassle to clean. This one is very easy to use. Even unused fans can be covered with it, preventing them from getting dusty. It's also very convenient for storing in cabinets. Now let's find out how to get the product in the video. There are 3 different ways to get the product. The first method is to buy from one of the stores that sell tools and household appliances, scattered around or near us. The second method, Facebook pages for selling home appliances. The third method, through websites that sell home appliances and ship them to different countries of the world. The following are the most important of these websites: Amazon and eBay and Walmart and Bestbuy, also Target and Lowe's. I will leave you the electronic addresses of these sites in the description of this video. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the alerts button so that you receive notification or alert of each new video. Also, do not forget to like the video.